Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Hadoop system. Hadoop system is a part of data science. Hadoop is basically used to store the files. It is actually a Apache based open source framework implemented in Java. In the diagram I have mentioned some balloons which are having some specific meanings. Hadoop uses the concept of distributed storage, means the data will not be stored in a single node, data will be scattered into the different nodes. Here nodes means the machines which are going to store all the data. Hadoop also uses the big data concepts. So what is big data? Big data is a concept in which we can see there is a huge amount of data is being generated now from various social networking sites. You can see now, and there is a lot of like Facebook, Twitter, they are all generating the data. So the biggest challenge is to how to process this kind of data, because data may be in any form. It may be structured, it may be semi-structured, and it may be non-structured data. So the challenging task is to store its data, analyze its data, and the data should be available all the time. So for that there is a Hadoop system which is being used nowadays. It has having simple programming model. It also having the concept of parallel processing, means each node which are connected with the Hadoop system, they must be parallel processed, and all the data which are being stored in a different nodes of the Hadoop, they must be distributed processed, and also they must be parallel processed. Thank you.